Welcome viewers to another video. In this video, we are going to discuss about a topic called Windows Credential Manager. This is one of the hidden desktop application that stores your account information, including your passwords, while using Microsoft Edge or Internet Explorer. The tool also saves various other credential information that you won't be able to view, like authentication tokens created by any application and network services. So let's see what is this Credential Manager. Let's jump in. So to open your Credential Manager, launch your Start application and under the search box, type your credential. The search result will show you this Credential Manager under Control Panel. Click on this. You will be landed into this screen called Credential Manager. Here you can manage your credentials. So there are two kinds of web credentials and Windows credentials. So what is web credential? Actually, this section contains password that you have saved while using Microsoft Edge and Internet Explorer. So Internet Explorer might not be available in Windows 11, but in earlier version it was there. So if you have saved password using a different web browser, like for example Google Chrome, Firefox, you will need to use that particular browser's web credential. Here that credentials will not be saved. This web credential will store information related with your Microsoft Edge application. So this is the first difference that you will come to know. And coming to this Windows credential, actually this section will only be useful if your PC is in a corporate network. And the password stored here are just those for network related Windows services. And most of the users will not be able to view any password in this section because these are the keys to keep your local kingdom, network shares, remote desktops, and more, and manage them wisely. So please be careful while managing your Windows credential. So since I am not in any network, corporate network, this is my own virtual system. If I hit this downward pointing arrow, I can see the internet or network address like virtual app oblique did logical. So this is the username and the password. This is actually the authentication tokens which is stored in this Windows credentials. So this is actually helpful for accessing remote desktops and connections which is there involved in your system and day-to-day work life. So this is it about credential manager. Suppose for example if you are trying to view the password, a confirmation window will appear. A confirmation window will appear here. Enter your password or PIN. Once you verify your identity, the saved password will appear in plain text. Okay. So to view this password, you will have to enter your password or PIN in the confirmation window. So see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.